This installation is of 20 washers and dryers at an RV resort. These machines were vending at $1.75 on CoinOp, and they were converted to Cashless with Clear Token by XCP Corp. And when the job was done, cover plates were mounted over the coin mechanisms. Now they are 100% cashless. After several months, 90% of the customers used cashless. But then there are some customers that insisted on still being able to use cash. So the answer is leave a few of them with cash. For more information, contact XCP Corp 352-678-3021. Thank you for watching this video.